Hold on, I'm on fire.
Why you doing this?
I won't call that a
A slap of disappointment, of hurt, and of shame. An uncle of one of 3 goat thieves questioning why his nephew was caught stealing. This was Friday afternoon in Rock River, Clarendon. The man is now in police custody. His 2 cronies were not as lucky. Carlos Russell is the superintendent in charge of the Clarendon Police.
A motor vehicle was intercepted by citizens after men aboard were seen stealing goats in the area. The men ran from the vehicle and citizens gave chase. 2 of the 3 men were caught, and citizens tried to effect an arrest when they were met with resistance, and the citizens would have used their machetes to inflict wounds.
The 2 men were taken to hospital by police but succumbed to their wounds. Our news center has obtained videos of the other 2 purported thieves, bloodied and not fit for broadcast. One of the deceased has been identified as Winston Cameron of a James Hill address in the parish. Superintendent Russell was sympathetic to farmers.
The farmers are going through a rough time, as you know, as these predators, they are preying on these farmers. A lot of goats or other cattle are being stolen. So we want to say to these men that they are to leave these farmers' animals alone, and some of them just need to go on and find a job.
Mr. Russell is however urging residents not to take matters into their own hands.
They need to be to exercise some more restraint and allow the police to deal with these criminals. So if they are caught, then allow the police to take them in custody and do the rest.
The Ministry of Agriculture reports that up to $9 billion is lost annually due to perennial larceny, a problem authorities have long struggled to curb.